A federal appeals court on Friday refused to delay the lifting of pandemic-era border restrictions due to end next week, denying a motion by Republican state officials who warned that ending the Title 42 known policy would fuel a further increase in immigrant arrivals along the U.S. southern border on December 21st. Unless superseded by a Supreme Court order, next week's appeals court decision will clear the way for the termination of the Title 42 evictions directive. The 19 Republican-led states that wanted to delay the completion of Title 42 previously said they would ask the Supreme Court to intervene if the Washington-based Court of Appeals denies their request. First claimed by the Trump administration in March 2020 at the start of the coronavirus pandemic, Title 42 is a public health law that dates back to, in the late 19th century, that the federal government has argued that it allows border officials to quickly remove immigrants from the U.S. because they could spread an infectious disease. First invoked by the Trump administration in March 2020 at the beginning of the coronavirus pandemic, Title 42 may be a public health law geological dating back to the late 19th century that the National has argued permits border officers to quickly expel migrants from the U.S. on the grounds that they'll unfold a contagious disease.